Okay, the red clamp is on. It's clamped. Can you clamp the black cable, please? The black clamp, I mean. There you go. Thank you. Okay. Okay. The reading says 12 volts. It's supposed to be 12.5, right? But hey, the battery is almost 2 years old. It's not a brand new battery. That's why. And as you can see, the battery bars, it's supposed to be 5 bars, not 4. So 1 bar is missing, right? As you can see. So yeah, that's why I'm going to charge the battery. Wow! Surprisingly, just after 5 minutes of charging, look at the reading. It's 13.1 volts. And the bars are full. You see the battery bars? The battery bars are full, as you can see. 13.1 volts. I plugged the charger again. I plugged it again. See? Full bars. Wow. Is this battery charger accurate or what? Anyway folks, this battery charger has no brand. It's a Chinese knockoff. So the big question is this battery charger accurate or not? That I am not sure. Anyway folks, the battery brand is Solong. Have you heard that brand before? Solong? Solong or Solong, however you pronounce it. Is that brand good or not? I never heard that brand before. Solong or Solong, whatever. Okay, now installing the battery. There you go. Okay. Okay folks, when reconnecting the battery to the motorcycle, always make sure to clamp or attach the positive cable first. The red one, this one here. And then followed by the negative cable. This one, the black cable. Okay? Again, when reconnecting the battery to the motorcycle, always attach the red cable first. And then followed by the black cable. Okay? Okay, now folks, when uninstalling the battery from the motorcycle, always unattach the negative cable first, the black cable, okay? And then followed by the red one. Again, when uninstalling the battery from the motorcycle, always unplug first the negative cable or the black cable, and then followed by the red cable. Okay? Okay. You need a 10mm spanner for this and for this. Okay? And then a screwdriver for the terminals. Okay? For the battery terminals. Okay, screwdriver for the battery terminals, and then a 10 mm spanner for this and for this, for the lock. It's a battery lock. Okay? Folks, you might want to apply petroleum jelly to avoid corrosion. You apply the petroleum jelly on these two terminals and on the positive cable and the negative cable. Okay? Again, you might want to apply petroleum jelly to avoid corrosion. Apply the petroleum jelly on the terminals and on the cables. Okay? Okay. As you can see, the current temperature of the battery is 23 degrees Celsius and the volts 13.1. 13.1 volts, 23 degrees Celsius. Okay? Okay.